Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am Chavi Sompura. Canada's cities are losing up to 19 days of winter. In just past 10 years, cities around the world, including in Canada, have lost weeks worth of winter ski, skate and snow days each year due to climate change. They have been replaced by dozens of days of rain, melt and mud, according to new analysis by Climate Central, a climate research and communications non-profit. In Canada, some cities and regions have lost more than 2 weeks of winter weather, including Vancouver, BC's Greater Nanaimo region and Ontario's Niagara region. Toronto has lost 13 days and even Montreal and Calgary, known for being cold, have lost 6 and 5 days below zero respectively each year. Vice President for Science at Climate Central said these recent changes are noticeable because snow turns to rain when the temperatures rises above freezing at 0 point. Those holidays are the times that we remember as children and the traditions that come along with them. Climate Central looked at the daily minimum temperatures in December, January and February in 901 cities and 123 countries around the world between 2014 and 2023. More than a third of their countries analyzed lost at least a week's worth of winter days during the past decade. The hardest hit Denmark, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania each lost at least 3 weeks of winter days. There were two main reasons some countries and cities were affected more than others. Some, such as Europe, are warming faster than the global average. Many parts of Canada, such as coastal BC and southern Ontario, also saw big impacts because of their winter temperatures already tend to hover around 0 degrees Celsius. The report didn't break down what part of the winter the days were disappearing from. But a Wilfrid Laurier University professor who has studied historical records of ring building said half a century ago people were building rings in southern Ontario in early December, and ski hills would have plenty of snow to operate before Christmas holidays. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon on regular updates.